Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we're going to be doing the suspension lubrication on the 2000 Yamaha Mountain Max 700. So to get started here, we are going to be using the Yamalube Snowmobile High Performance Suspension Grease. The tube of that, we've got that loaded in our grease gun. And then on our grease gun, we've got this cool little gadget. This is called a lock and lube. And what you do is you press down on this handle right here, take it and stick it onto the grease zerk, just like that, release it, and it's totally locked on there, won't leak at all. And you can even one-handed run your grease gun, it won't leak at all, and be able to do everything you need to do, just like that. Then you go ahead, release it, take it right off, no leaks whatsoever. So a real handy tool, you can pick one of those up in the description, help support the channel. So let's go ahead and get started with this lubrication on the suspension. On each ski, you've got a zerk in this position, one on the right and one on the left. Then under the hood, you'll see this pivot point right down here. There's a zerk on the front of that. Then underneath in the back of the suspension, right down here, you have one zerk. In the middle, in the back, right there, you have another. On this cross piece, in the middle, you can kind of see right up there, you have another zerk. And then on both of these rods in the back, one on the right and one on the left, you have another one. That's on this bar that goes across, another one right up here in the top middle. And then on this front bar that goes across, another one in the top middle right up there. And that should be all the grease points on the suspension of the Mountain Max. So make sure you get all those. You can clean up the little bit of grease that squirts out around the edges, or it'll just kind of wear off on the trail. So hope everybody enjoyed the video and learned something. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.